Oh, my eyes are watering. I am going to do, my eyes are watering. I'm going to do a cooking video for you guys. And I'm going to make a Mexican casserole in my Instant Pot. I've never made this recipe before, but I've had really good success with my Instant Pot. I love it. It makes food super, super fast, super, super easy, all in one pot. My eyes are watering so bad. So please excuse, it looks like I'm crying. This onion is super, super strong. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I've done so far. I've prepped a couple of things. First thing, you need to dice a large onion. Mine is super, super strong. It's making my eyes water. Boys are being super, super ornery. I'm going to first wash my hands. What you're going to do is plug in your Instant Pot. I have the Instant Pot Lux. What? More? Want another cracker? The boys are playing in my pantry and eating graham crackers. There you go. Say thank you. So I have my Instant Pot on. I have the Instant Pot Lux. I love it. I use it all the time. So the first thing you want to do is set that to saute and let it warm up while you're dicing your onion. I've also got a pound of chicken breast out. I didn't weigh that. I have a bag that's 3 pounds, so I used about a third of that. I have 3 large chicken breasts. You're going to make up a seasoning blend. I don't have the recipe with me, but I believe it was 1 tablespoon of cumin, half a tablespoon of paprika and oregano, and then 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt and black pepper. So I seasoned both sides of my chicken breast. The next thing I'm going to do is add a little bit of olive oil to the bottom of my pan or my Instant Pot. It says that it's hot and ready. So we're playing in my cupboard. It's got good old extra virgin olive oil. I don't know. I probably added a few tablespoons. What? No, you still got some. Okay, and it says to take your onion and saute that in the oil. Cooking is something that I love to do, so you guys are probably going to see quite a bit of Instant Pot. And I just hit my step bowl, so yay for me. Alright, we're going to let those saute through and get kind of soft, and then we'll be back to do the next step. Okay, so it's been about a minute. I've been stirring the onions. They're starting to look pretty good. So the next thing to do is to take 2 cloves of garlic, and you're going to mince them. I have my trusty, this thing is so old. This is a Pampered Chef mincer, and I'm just going to mince that right into the pot. Seriously takes some muscles. And then you're going to stir this and let that saute for about a minute or so. Make sure that it doesn't burn. Get my measuring cup. Go ahead and measure out. You need a can of red enchilada sauce. Sorry. Okay, so you need a can of red enchilada sauce. You need 2 cups of that, so I'm hoping that's about the whole can. Okay, so you're also going to go ahead and push cancel on your Instant Pot. I'm going to measure out my 2 cups of enchilada sauce. Got a little bit left, so I'm going to have to figure out something to do with that. I'm going to put that in there with the onions and garlic. And you're going to stir it. And I will be back with the next step. So you want to make sure that you stir your enchilada sauce in with your garlic and onion mixture, kind of scraping the bottom to get the bits out. And be sure you push cancel to turn it off. You're then going to add your chicken breast to this mixture. I don't want to touch it, so I have a trusty knife. I'm just going to put it in here. And then it says to flip it in the sauce to make sure that the chicken is fully saturated and covered. You're then going to take your lid and lock it in place on your Instant Pot, and you're going to set it to manual for 20 minutes, which really will be about 35 minutes. I didn't know this. It took me some time to learn this, but it takes about 10 to 15 minutes for your Instant Pot to heat up and create steam, which I need to seal mine. So it'll probably take about 15 minutes to warm up, and then it starts counting down from your 20 minutes. So I'll be back in about 35-40 minutes and finish this up with you guys. Okay, so while my chicken is cooking in my sauce mixture, I went ahead and did a little bit of food prepping. I measured out 1 cup of, what is this? 2% Mexican shredded cheese. And then you also need 8 corn tortillas, and then you need to cut those in 8 pieces. So I did that. I also need a can of black beans rinsed, so I did that, and I have those draining. And you also need a can of corn. I did not have anything other than cream style corn and cans, but I did have frozen corn. So I'm heating that up in the microwave right now. And I think the only other thing I can really do is prep my cilantro. I can chop that up. So Instant Pot says I have 16 minutes left. After your chicken cooks for 16 minutes and the timer goes off, you want to slow release your pressure for 10 minutes. So I will be back after that happens to add everything into my enchilada casserole, Mexican casserole. But it should be an enchilada casserole because it's got enchilada sauce. Hi! I do. Hi! This is Mr. Cameron. He's ready to eat, huh? Got about 5 minutes. Almost. Her allergies are really, really bad today. So, hi. She is the smallest twin, but he looks so big. Huh. You're my baby, aren't you? You're my baby. You're my smallest baby. Huh. Yeah. I'm doing the pressure release. Can you guys hear it? It's my favorite part. I usually just wait until all the steam releases, and then I'm going to take the lid off and shred up my chicken, and I'll be back. I got my chicken all shredded up. That goes back into the Instant Pot. I'm going to add in my black beans, drained and rinsed. I'm going to add in your tortilla pieces that did not come all the way through apparently. But I can see where it cut, so make it work. What are you doing? I know, you're getting hungry. It's almost done. Okay, about 5 more minutes. Okay, you're going to also add your 1 cup of cheese. Also going to add in your corn. Okay, you're going to stir everything together. It smells so good. It looks really yummy. Honestly, you could probably stop here if you wanted to. I'm going to follow the recipes though. It tells me to add my remaining 1.5 cups of cheese to the top of this. It also suggests you can use a cup or so of queso fresco. I don't have that. I'm just going to use what I have, or Monterey Jack. So you're just going to sprinkle that on top of the casserole. Okay, and then you're going to put your lid back on. I'll put it in there. manual for 3 minutes. I'm going to do manual for 3 minutes, Mister. And we're ready to eat. Okay, manual for 3 minutes. When it is done, I will spoon it up into a ball. I'll do a dollop of sour cream and then finish it with cilantro, but I will show you what that looks like. So hopefully it's not going to take too long since my pot should be ready to go, but you never know. So I'll be back with it. Alright, here's what the Mexican casserole looks like. Smells so good. Smells like an enchilada. I'm going to put a little bit of light sour cream on mine. Everything's better with sour cream, and you gotta have it for Mexican food. And I'm also going to put a little bit of cilantro. That's what it looks like. It looks so good, and I don't want to try it yet because it's hot. I don't think I have a spoon. What? No, I don't need you over there. It was just cooling down. Go. Okay, I'm going to take a little bite real quick. That's so good. So good. Tastes like Mexican food. It's good. It's hot. Oh, a little bit spicy from the red enchilada sauce. I would say if you don't like spice, maybe use I don't know how it would turn out with salsa. You could also probably try the green salsa verde enchilada sauce, and it might not be as spicy, but I like it. I think it's good. So I was going to serve it to the boys. I don't know. It might be too spicy for the kids. But yeah, I really like it. I think it's really good. Start to finish, it took about 45 minutes, which is about normal for me, but you know, it's all ready to go and it's good. So I hope you guys like it. Let me know if you try it. I will pin the recipe down below. I got it off of Pinterest, so I can't take credit for coming up with this one, but I did want to try it. Let me know what you think of the Instant Pot recipes. Do you have an Instant Pot? Do you love it? I love mine. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will see you in the next cooking video. Bye!